Hey everyone, my name is Lisa DeFazio. I'm a registered dietitian from Hollywood, California. Today I'm talking to you about how to keep blackberries fresh. So first off, you don't want to wash them. So if you've picked them from your yard or you've gotten them home from the market and you want to keep them for about 7 days and keep them fresh, this is what you do. You simply put them into a large pan and spread them out evenly. Don't stack them on top of one another. And also take out any berries that you feel are sort of rotted or smashed already. And I have here 2 boxes. And of course, these are great on top of ice cream or to make a berry pie. You can throw it in with some cereal. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, a really excellent fruit choice, lower in sugar than most fruit. So you basically, again, spread it out in a tray like that. And then you store it in the refrigerator. You don't have to cover it. But the key is not to wash them first. And many times we're tempted to wash it right when we get it home from the store. But you don't want to do that. When you're ready to eat them, go ahead and rinse them off and then throw it on your food or make something with it. Now, maybe 7 days have passed and you still want to use these blackberries. You haven't eaten them all. At that time is when you go ahead and rinse them with water and you store them in a Ziploc bag. And then you throw it in the freezer. And then they're ready to go for a quick snack, throw in some granola, or again, delicious with some ice cream. And there you have it. Those are the ways on keeping blackberries fresh. For more tips, check out my website at lisadefazio.com. I will see you guys next time.